Well, it sure snowed last night, or last few days. But look at all this snow. Look at that. That's a lot of snow, guys. Look at that. Lots of snow there. Lots of snow. Lots of snow. That's a lot of snow. Why do I keep saying that? That's a lot of snow. I just keep saying the same thing over and over again. Here we go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This here is my foyer to the rest of my camper van here. I love it when that happens, when my sock kind of goes off kilter like that. Well, hello there, guys, and I wanted to bring to your attention the concept of shore power. And shore power allows you to plug in your camper van to an electrical source, such as basically any AC plug that you find at a campsite, or maybe even in a house, you know, coming up from the garage or something. And you'll be able to plug stuff in. Oh, wait a sec here. I think it's November 7th, oh, and you'll be able to plug things in like electrical devices, like laptops. And I'm going to turn this off. Okay, 1 second. There we go. So, sorry about that. I was just checking out my YouTube, checking my information related to it. But going back to this here. So this here is just a heater. Now this would not run on my normal batteries. It just wouldn't. There's just not enough power. And if it did, it would run for an extremely short time, because this thing, I think, sucks up about 800 watts. That's a lot of power. So this is where shore power comes into play, where what it is, it's literally just an extension cord going into the van. And what I did was I made a conduit using a Noco device, Noco. And what it did was it allowed me to sort of just funnel a cord into this van conveniently. And then that cord matched up with some electrical that I put together in here. It's the simplest way to look at it is it's just a cord, a fancy cord that goes into the van. And I'm going to go to the back of the van to show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so here it is. This is the Noco, I guess, conduit. That's how we want to call it. I'm sure there's a more technical name for it, but essentially that's what it looks like. And there it is unplugged. And I'm gonna take this, and that's what it looks like. And then we take this thing here, and we plug it in. And just a brief note regarding this, you notice that around the screw areas there's some rust developing there on all of them. So the next time around, I'm going to place some type of anti-rust treatment. That wasn't very smart of me. So look, just a conduit. That's all it really is. And so from the back, we have that cord, that Noco cord, just going all the way back to here, and it splits up into two portions right there. So you notice that I've got that orange Paracord, and then I've got that part right there. And you can be plugged in anywhere. I mean, most campsites, if you get electrical, you'll be able to plug it in, and you'll be able to sort of stay in here. So maybe this is something that I'm going to look into next week or in a few weeks. Actually, it's all nebulous when I give times and dates, because I actually don't know when I'll be posting this, because I don't always post the same day I film. But anyway, the point is, at some point when I go winter camping, I think shore power that is made available by the campsite would be extremely handy. So yeah, so that's a bit about shore power. Oh, more electrical stuff over there. And that's also that's also tied into the that extension cord thing at the back, that Noco device. And it was really easy to install. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and share it with others, because you never know, someone out there might be interested in actually creating stuff like this, like my little monstrosity here. Thanks a lot. Oh, by the way, just in case you didn't know, there's our silver duck. I don't care what anybody says, there was a lot of snow. And there there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video or my curated playlist.